Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will share about the Google AdSense update. Okay, so many of us may wondering why there is zero amount in our Google AdSense. We don't see any earnings from YouTube and makes you worries. Where is your balance from last time, from last month? Well, in this video, you will see where it is. I'm gonna show you. So please, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you get notified for my next tutorial video. Alright, so let's get to it. On my screen right now, you will see the home page of the Google AdSense. You will see on the right side my profile, notification here, and the information. You can see that. And on the left side, you will see the home and the three bars. Now, let's click the three bars. What you see, the highlighted here is home. Next to the home is ads. And under it is ad, etc. Don't mind that because we only need the top part, which is AdSense for YouTube. Yes, you're right. Now click that. Click that. And da-da-da-da-da! There you go. I found my YouTube earnings is here. The balance is here. It's just hiding over here. Why it is zero in the home page when I open my Google AdSense account? Well, it happens after the update. Maybe since June. Okay, so it's just here hiding. Now let's click that three bars again and go to home. There, it's zero. Nothing. No, nothing. It's zero. And balance from last payment. That's all you see. But your earnings, your balance is zero. It's not here. It's because it's been moved here. Alright, so hopefully this video will help you to get rid all of your worries. And you'll see your balance in your YouTube AdSense account. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. God bless.